Today we'll be going over how to change the duration for a rental that someone booked. So if someone wants to change the rental from 1 day to say 2 days, what we're going to do is go to the reservation and we're going to click on either the name or the reservation number. On the right here under tickets, we're going to click on this minus sign to get rid of the rental that they booked. And then on the right where it says add more tickets, we're going to click select rate. And this is where we're going to select the duration they want to move it to. So let's do a 2 days. And then we're going to hit save reservation. Once we do that, we can either add it to shopping cart or we can close out and go back to the calendar. As you can see right here in red, I owe $214 because I changed the rental to a longer duration. So what I'm going to do is hit continue. I'm going to go to the bottom left down here and click on checkout. And then I'm going to click card on file. From there, I'm going to select the card that they paid with and hit process payment. So that's how you're going to change a rental from one duration to another. Now you can see under our tickets that we now have none for one duration and we have one golf cart for a 2-day rental. Something else we're going to go over is changing the contact information and editing tickets if needed. So what we're going to do is click back on that reservation number. If you need to change the contact information, say the phone number or email, what we're going to do is click on this little pencil icon. And this allows us to change the email or the phone number. After you make your change, what we're going to do is go down to the bottom right and hit save reservation. This also works if you need to change the tickets. So say someone booked for a parasailing for standard and they want to change it to the extreme. So what we're going to do is click on that minus sign, click on the extreme ride rates, and then we're going to hit save reservation. Again, from here, we can either add it to the shopping cart or close out and go back to the calendar. I'm going to hit continue to add it to the shopping cart so I can check out for that remaining price. We're going to click card on file again. Select the card and hit process payment. That way they get charged for that new rate since it was a little more expensive. And as you can see here, our tickets, we have one extreme and no more standard ones, and we've already charged them for the price difference.